I'm going to be addressing the core confusion about choosing your foundation based on your undertone and your skin tone. Let's be real, you've heard this oftentimes that if you look good in silver jewelries, you have cool undertone. If you look good in gold jewelry, it means you have a warm undertone. And if you look good in both silver and gold jewelry, that means you have a neutral undertone. So let's look at it this way. What if your favorite color is gold and you've been told you have a cool undertone? So in today's video, we're breaking up the old rules and learning one thing that actually matters. What makes your skin healthy, not what makes your outfit look good. Because it is confusing. So in today's video, I am going to be putting you through a virtual cheat code to choosing the right foundation according to your undertone. And this is what I have teach my beginner clients over time, and it never fails. So if this sounds like what you are interested in, keep on watching. Hi babes, welcome to day 4 of our 30 days makeup with HD signatures. Today's video, we are going to be talking about foundation, everything you need to know about foundation. So sit back, relax, and enjoy yourself. So these are the two key things you need to have in mind when you're getting a foundation that will match your skin perfectly. One, you need to consider your skin undertone, and two, you need to consider your skin tone. So your skin tone is the surface color of your skin. It is what you see first. This is my skin tone, and this is what I see first. Your skin tone can come in light, dark, chocolate, caramel, super light, super dark, ebony, and your skin tone can change due to sun exposure or due to cream usage. For instance, if you are a dark skin person, you can decide to want to lighten your skin. So what you're changing here is the skin tone and not the undertone. Undertone is the true color underneath your skin tone. This is what gives your skin its flavor, and it is permanent. It cannot be altered. Undertone is the real secret here, because if you choose a foundation that only match your skin tone, that's your skin surface, and doesn't match your skin undertone, it's going to look off. But if you choose a foundation that match your skin undertone, it will blend well into your skin. So how do you detect your undertone? This is a foolproof test. You need to take a picture under a natural light and analyze what you can see. So here are different ways to check what undertone you have. We're going to start with the old ways, which is using jewelry. If gold jewelry looks good on you, you have warm undertone. If silver jewelry looks good on you, it means you have cool undertone. If both jewelry and silver jewelry looks good on you together, it means you have a neutral undertone. And the last one is going to be the one that is very easy. It's for beginners. You don't even have to struggle to get this right. No makeup, your bare skin, your bare face under natural light, no artificial light. Upload that picture on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to analyze your skin and tell you what category of undertone you fall in, and also tell ChatGPT to help you get a visual picture of celebrity you have the same skin tone and undertone. And also you ask ChatGPT, based on the analysis of your undertone, ChatGPT should recommend a foundation shade from drugstore and high ends that perfectly match your skin tone. And guys, it will blow your mind. This is a perfect cheat code that will blow your mind. Try it and let me know in the comment section. So if I'm at a store and this is what they have in display, so if I'm going to be picking a foundation based on what, I'm not going to be looking at this one here because this is way out of my skin tone, and moving around, I am not going to be looking at this one as well.